If your cat suddenly starts biting, it can be alarming. First, check for any signs of stress or discomfort. Cats often bite when they feel threatened or overstimulated. Try to identify triggers. Maybe it's a new pet or loud noises. Redirect their energy with toys. Interactive play can help. If they're biting during petting, it might be a sign they've had enough. Learn to read their body language. Twitching tails or flattened ears are clear signals. Lastly, don't punish them. Instead, create a calm environment and give them space. Understanding their behavior is key to a happy, bite-free relationship.